This is an example literary analysis by Mrs. Blair and Mr. Lightfoot.
Literature analysis on The Silence of Six, Code of Silence, The Outsiders.
Your job in this slide is to show how the setting impacts the rest of the novel.
In this snapshot, you see where the story starts off during the presidential debate, which is the leaping point for the rest of the novel. This is important because it takes our protagonist, Max, down a dangerous life and death path.
On this slide, you will explain the quote on the page and what you, the reader, can infer about it.
All three friends took a code of silence to protect one another's identity and to be sure that they stayed safe. This quote shows one of the characters thinking of breaking the code, which infers he's not trustworthy.
In your next two slides, explain the significance of your new cover and explain why the two quotes show how the reader has grown throughout the novel.
The cover has 6 people on the front, the 3 possible robbers and those trying to find out their identity. On the inside, we see Cooper. Cooper wants and does take the code of silence in the beginning. However, towards the end, he can't wait to get out of this code of silence and the mess that all 3 friends have created.
In the last section, you'll pick 2 words that show the theme of the novel, for example, love and family, and then paraphrase why love is important and family is important in the book, along with some images.
Love is the first theme apparent in The Outsiders. All the greasers were part of this brotherhood who protected and loved one another. At the end of the novel, the second theme, family, is clear. In the final scenes, all 3 brothers run to the park where they talk about the issues they're having and agree to work harder to be better brothers. They race home in a tie, showing how they truly are all for one and one for all.